Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. So you want to go ahead and open up your browser. As you can see, I'm in Google Chrome right here. And I'm going to simply type in WhatsApp web, right? You can type that in. And of course, once you go to the WhatsApp web, you want to sign in into WhatsApp. So as you can see here, guys, you'll get a QR code right here. And you need to go ahead and scan this QR code with WhatsApp. As you can see, it's give you some instructions right there. So you want to open up your WhatsApp first and foremost. Then in WhatsApp, you want to click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go to settings, right? That's on your phone, of course. Then you will find a QR code right there, guys, which you need to go ahead and it will show you my QR code or it will say scan. So you want to go ahead and click scan, then click on continue. You will see the green button on your phone that says link device. Click on that. It will ask you for your fingerprint or something. Go ahead and scan that as well, and you will see that it will sign you right in. So once you're inside the WhatsApp web, guys, all you really need to do is to simply go ahead and click the settings gear on the lower left hand side. Then you want to click on privacy. Then you want to scroll down towards the bottom and you will find app lock. Click on app lock. Then from here, it will give you the option to toggle this on. Then it will ask you to create a password. So I'm going to just simply create a password right here. And I'm going to go ahead and re-enter that password again. Then click on OK. Then as you can see right here, it's going to ask you to set a time after which you want the app lock to trigger. I'm going to set it to after 1 minute. And I'm going to just quickly wait for about a minute for that to trigger. And you will see that WhatsApp is going to lock for me. So let's just give it a moment. And here you can see, guys, that WhatsApp is also showing that it requires a password. Keep in mind that if you also refresh the page, it's going to ask you for the password as well. So now I have to go ahead and enter that password in order to log into WhatsApp. And as you can see, if I enter the password here and click unlock, then it will log me back into WhatsApp. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.